Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to switch your modding framework from Oxide to Carbon with a few simple steps whilst making sure all your plugins stay intact. First, you'll need to log into your game panel and select the server you want to work on. Then you'll need to head over to your Startup tab. This is where you'll be able to find the framework field. The framework is currently set to Oxide, so that means we're using Oxide as our modding framework for the server. To switch that, click on the drop-down menu and select Carbon. Now that you have selected a new framework, you only need to head back to your console and restart your server. Your server will automatically do all the work and set up everything for you. All pre-existing plugins will be automatically transferred to your new plugin folder, which can be located in your Files tab. So let's go over to our Files tab and locate that new folder. If we go to Carbon, and then we will see the new plugins folder, which will have all our plugins available. In this case, we only have Better Loot installed. And that's it. If you need any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.